Zulkarnain Ahmed and Aman Ahmed are set to be sentenced over the death of 16-year-old Abdullah Yasser Abdullah al-Yazidi in Sheffield. Abdullah was hit by an Audi S3 on Staniforth Road. Zulkarnain Ahmed was found guilty of murder, while Aman Ahmed was found guilty of manslaughter. A campus safety team member is in serious condition after being shot with a crossbow at the University of Surrey's Manor Park campus in Guildford. The victim, a man in his 50s, was taken to hospital after the incident on June 4th. A 21-year-old Saudi national, believed to be a former student, was arrested at the scene on suspicion of attempted murder. Police said no further individuals are being sought. A 31-year-old Huddersfield man has been arrested on suspicion of attempted murder after a 30-year-old woman was seriously injured in Fartown. The incident happened on Topaz Close at about 10:30 p.m. on May 11th. The woman suffered serious leg and head injuries and was taken to hospital, where she continues to receive treatment. This is the 11th arrest linked to the case. Officers are still appealing for witnesses or anyone with footage to come forward. Mark Ewell, Carl Bailey, Rohit Chawla and Terry Brewer were linked to a people smuggling operation that brought Afghan Sikh migrants into the UK inside a specially adapted lorry. 12 people, including one child, were found hidden behind a false bulkhead after the vehicle arrived in West London. The truck had travelled through France and returned via the Channel Tunnel. Bailey admitted offences, while Ewell, Chawla and Brewer were convicted after trial. Sentencing will be arranged later this month. Robert Poleszak, 45, from Reading, has admitted multiple drug and exploitation-related offences after investigators linked him to powerful nitazene supplies and at least 2 deaths. Poleszak supplied cocaine, crack cocaine, methamphetamine and synthetic opioid pills through online channels. Searches found drug-making equipment, packaging materials and evidence connected to his offending. He also admitted possessing and creating thousands of illegal child abuse images. The case involved deaths in Cornwall and Oxfordshire. Poleszak will be sentenced later. 4 men have been arrested in the Netherlands over suspected drugging and abuse of multiple women. Investigators believe some women may have been targeted by people close to them and recorded without consent. Police searched several homes, seized digital devices, drugs and weapons, and said the number of possible victims remains unclear. A murder investigation has been launched following the death of 15-year-old Jamal Ringrose in northwest London. Jamal was found with serious stab wounds in Dollis Hill and was taken to hospital, where he later died. A 15-year-old boy has been charged with affray and possession of an offensive weapon in a public place. A 16-year-old and an 18-year-old were also arrested as part of the investigation. Detectives continue to appeal for witnesses and footage. David James Clark, 82, has been sentenced to 26 years in prison after being convicted of serious offences involving 14 boys at a Sussex preparatory school. The incidents happened between 1978 and 1989 during activities linked to a photography club he supervised. Following a trial, Clark was found guilty of multiple child protection offences. Investigators said the men showed great courage by coming forward years later, helping bring the case to court.